Hi, I'm Dan from dpreview.com, and this is the Panasonic Lumix G85. It's the successor to the Panasonic G7 and shares its DSLR-style design with twin control dials and fully articulating touch display. It also uses the same sensor as the G7, but with no anti-aliasing filter. The G85 receives an updated electronic viewfinder with increased magnification over the G7. It also has a longer eye point, a good thing for glasses wearers like myself. The camera gains in-body 5-axis image stabilization and dual IS2. This should make it very easy to use handheld for stills or video. Speaking of video, it is 4K capable and has a microphone jack, but no headphone jack. The mic input is somewhat inconveniently located though. One major improvement is the addition of weather and dust sealing. The G85 also gets a dedicated memory card door. Panasonic went a long way to ensure shutter shock, an issue that plagued the G7 doesn't affect the G85. The shutter mechanism is now electromagnetic, and the front plate magnesium. The G85 features Panasonic's depth from defocus technology, which has proved reliable at depth and subject tracking. Lastly, the G85 features a new in-camera focus stacking mode. Like post-focus modes found in previous Panasonics, it's fairly easy to use and produces a JPEG. Overall, the G85 offers a compelling package and in many ways is everything we wanted in the G7 and more. For more on this camera and all things digital photography, head to dpreview.com.